My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, there are names that shake the heart when we hear them, names that bring tears to our eyes. And one of those names is Hazrat Isa, known to the world as Jesus, peace be upon him. His story is not just a story of miracles. It is a story of truth, a story of struggle, a story of faith, a story that connects the hearts of Muslims and reminds humanity that Allah alone is the most powerful, the most wise. Cherry blossom, the birth, a miracle from Allah. Let us begin at the beginning. Centuries ago, in the blessed land of Palestine, a pure woman, Maryam was chosen by Allah above all women of her time. She was pure, modest, and devoted in worship. Allah sent the angel Jibreel to her with a message that would change the world. The angel said, "O Maryam, Allah gives you glad tidings of a word from him. His name will be Al-Masih Isa, the son of Maryam." Surah Al-Imran 3:45. Maryam was shocked. She said, "How can I have a child when no man has ever touched me?" And the angel replied, "So it will be. When Allah decrees a matter, he only says to it, be, and it is." Surah Maryam 19:21. This was the first truth that Isa was born by the command of Allah, without a father. Not because Allah needed a partner, not because he was divine, but because Allah can create in any way he wills. He created Adam without a father or mother. He created Hawa Eve from a man without a woman. And he created Isa from a woman without a man. Each creation was a sign of his unlimited power. He spoke from the cradle. When Maryam gave birth, she was alone and in pain under a palm tree. But Allah supported her, and a voice called out, "Do not grieve. Your Lord has provided a stream beneath you." Surah Maryam 19:24. When she brought the baby to her people, they accused her. "O Maryam, you have done something terrible." But Maryam remained silent, pointing to the baby. And then the miracle happened. The infant Isa spoke. He said, "Indeed, I am the servant of Allah. He has given me the scripture and made me a prophet." Surah Maryam 19:30. Subhanallah. The first words Isa spoke were, "I am the servant of Allah." Not "I am God." Not "I am the son of God." But "I am the servant of Allah." This was the second truth, the true identity of Isa, a prophet and servant of Allah. Glowing star, his miracles by Allah's permission. As Isa grew, Allah gave him miracles that amazed people. He healed the blind and the leper. He brought the dead back to life. He created a bird from clay and breathed into it, and by Allah's permission, it became alive. Allah tells us in the Qur'an, "I heal the blind and the leper, and I bring the dead to life, by Allah's permission." Surah Al-Imran 3:49. Every miracle Isa performed was not his own power, but by the permission of Allah. This was the third truth, that Isa was not divine. His miracles were signs of Allah's greatness. Dove, the message, worship Allah alone. Hazrat Isa came with the same message as every prophet before him. "O children of Israel, worship Allah, my Lord and your Lord." Surah Al-Ma'idah 5 hours 72 minutes. He called people to Tawheed, the oneness of Allah. He warned them against pride and hypocrisy. He preached love, mercy, and forgiveness, not rebellion against Allah. But as with every prophet, many rejected him. Some mocked him, others plotted against him. The religious leaders of his time were jealous of his miracles, his following, and his purity. So they planned to kill him. High voltage, the greatest deception, the crucifixion myth. Now comes the hidden truth that so many in the world still do not know. They tried to capture him. They plotted to crucify him. But Allah says in the Qur'an, "And they did not kill him, nor did they crucify him, but it appeared so to them." Surah An-Nisa 4:157. Subhanallah. Allah saved Isa from their plot and raised him up alive into the heavens. This is the fourth truth. Isa was never crucified. He was never killed. He was raised up by Allah, and he will return before the day of judgment. Those who thought they had killed him were deceived. They saw someone else made to resemble him. And until today, people are confused. But the Quran brings the truth, clear, pure, and final. Sun behind small cloud, his return, the promise of the last days. My brothers and sisters, this world has not seen the last of Isa. He will return. The Prophet Muhammad said, "By Allah, the son of Maryam will descend among you as a just ruler. He will break the cross, kill the swine, and abolish the false worship." Sahih Bukhari. He will return to bring justice to the earth. He will defeat the Dajjal, the false Messiah. He will restore peace and truth. And people will once again know that there is only one God, Allah. This is the fifth truth. Isa is alive, and he will return. Droplet lessons from his life. The story of Isa is not just history. It is a reminder that no matter how powerful falsehood looks, truth always survives. It teaches us humility because even a prophet as great as Isa called himself the servant of Allah. It teaches us patience because he was mocked, rejected, and betrayed, yet he never lost faith. It teaches us purity because he lived simply with his heart connected to Allah. And it teaches us to recognize deception, to not be blinded by what the world shows us. In every generation, people twist the truth, but Allah's words remain unchanged. Crescent moon, the final message to our hearts. So, my dear brothers and sisters, what is the hidden truth about Hazrat Isa that everyone should know? It is that he was not divine. He was not the Son of God. He was the chosen prophet of Allah, born miraculously, raised miraculously, and destined to return miraculously. He came with a message to worship Allah alone, to be humble, to love goodness, and to stand against falsehood. Today, we live in a world filled with confusion and lies. People worship wealth, fame, and desires. But Isa reminds us that the only one worthy of worship is Allah, the Creator of all. Hibiscus, a call to faith. My beloved listeners, remember this. When Isa returns, he will not bring a new religion. He will follow the message of Prophet Muhammad, Islam. He will pray behind a Muslim imam. He will establish justice, and peace will spread across the earth once again. So before that day comes, let us renew our faith. Let us seek the truth, live the truth, and spread the truth. Because one day, when Isa returns, every lie will be destroyed, every false claim will vanish, and only truth will stand tall. Rose's final words. Hazrat Isa's life is a sign for all humanity. He was born by a miracle, raised by a miracle, and will return by a miracle. Let the world know. The hidden truth is not hidden anymore. Hazrat Isa was never crucified. He was never killed. He is alive by the will of Allah, waiting for the command to return. And when he returns, the world will witness that La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah is the only truth. May Allah guide us to hold firm to this truth, to love all the prophets, and to live with faith and humility. Ameen.